Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial for all you Samsung Smart TV owners who want to dive into the world of Hulu. If you're looking to catch up on your favorite shows or discover new ones, stick around as we show you how to quickly watch Hulu on your Samsung Smart TV. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tech tips. Now, let's get started. Segment 1. Check for Hulu app. First things first, ensure that your Samsung Smart TV has the Hulu app installed. Head over to the apps section on your TV, and if you don't see Hulu listed, don't worry, we've got you covered. Segment 2. Download Hulu app. Open the Samsung Smart Hub and navigate to the apps section. Search for Hulu using the on-screen keyboard, and once you find it, click on Download to install the app. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Segment 3. Sign in or create an account. Once the Hulu app is installed, open it and either sign in with your existing Hulu account or create a new one. If you're new to Hulu, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Segment 4. Activate device. To ensure smooth streaming, you may need to activate your Samsung Smart TV as a Hulu device. Go to the Hulu website on your computer or smartphone, log in, and follow the prompts to activate your device. This step is crucial for a seamless Hulu experience on your TV. Segment 5. Browse and watch. Now that you're all set up, it's time to explore the Hulu library. Use the remote to navigate through the app, browse genres, and find your favorite shows or movies. Once you've made your selection, click on it, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the show right from the comfort of your Samsung Smart TV. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, a quick and easy guide on how to watch Hulu on your Samsung Smart TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your fellow Samsung TV owners. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in our next video, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming.